Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BIOAQ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis several times before, but it's been a while since the last update. I honestly can't remember the last update, but that's where these green lines are coming from. And just wanted to do a quick kind of touch base here because the price is actually sitting at a very important level. And this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have watched the past videos. But for those of you that have, I've talked about 2 cents right there, which is this green line, as a key area of support. And to give full credit where credit is due, so far so good. I mean, the price is held above it very nicely there. And you fast forward to today's price action, and you can see that the price was hovering down around that area on multiple occasions. And each and every time, the price did indeed hold strong. So as far as near-term levels of support, 2 cents, definitely a very important one. And from an overall kind of storybook perspective, definitely one that you want to see hold. I'm not saying this is going to happen, but just from, again, the quote-unquote story perspective, if the price were to drop below there, or worse yet, continue to separate to the downside, at that point in time, that would literally be putting the price essentially right back to where it was during these lows over here. And that's just not a sign of true strength, right? Price movements that go back to where they were, I'm assuming I insult your intelligence when I say, yeah, movements that go backwards, not exactly strong. So that's what kind of it is what 0.02 is representing on whether or not the price is going to make progress or not. Because case in point, let's look at the other side of things. Let's say that level continues to hold and eventually the price starts to work its way back upwards. Well, what would you have here? You'd have a big old set of lows right there. You'd have that low down there. If you picture these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what truly strong moves are going to be doing. They're going to be making progress forward. And again, the quote-unquote making progress point I am quantifying and defining as 2 cents. What about levels of resistance? So if this upwards move is going to get some sort of bounce to the upside, near-term level of resistance to keep an eye on is going to be that purple line right there, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Next level after that to keep an eye on would be the 200-period simple moving average, denoted on my chart up there by the pink line. So all in all, the price is doing a good job. The bulls are doing a great job of holding strong at 2 cents, and you certainly want to see that price action continue to play out. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.